Kitty, what's the first thing that you do if you get your vision back?
Boobs.
You would do boobs.
I would do boobs. I want to see your face.
Oh, thank you.
No, not your face. I really want to see the sky. It would just be cool. I want to see me.
I was just going to say, yeah, but what would you do when you look in the mirror and realise you're not as pretty as everyone says?
What was that?
We just don't feel sorry for you.
You know how people say, like, family look like each other? People say I look like my mum or like my dad. How can I look like a 50-year-old man? How can a 50-year-old man and a 20-year-old woman look similar? This is not racist, but I've always been visually impaired, and because black people, their faces don't reflect light, they absorb light. I can't see anyone's faces now, but growing up, I could never see black people's faces, and so I would get them mixed up, and I'd be like, I'm so sorry, I'm not racist.
Sizzles, she's being racist to you.
Sizzles, spitting image of Lenny Henry.